Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel, and subscribe if you guys haven't. I know most of you guys aren't subscribed. So today we're gonna do a few DoorDash orders like usual. We got the daily dash. We're about to drive over to the mall. It's about 12 o'clock today. Lunch hour lasts about another hour to an hour and a half or so. And I'm gonna drive over to the mall, try to get in at least 2 or 3 DoorDash orders today. Make that extra money to pay for any of the food that I pay for today. That's usually what I try to do. So it's about 73 degrees right now, which is insane because 2 days ago it was 114 in Vegas. That's insane. That's like a 40% drop in temperature or so. I mean, it might even be more, I have no idea. But it's crazy because 2 days ago it was burning hot. I was wearing nothing but shorts and a cutoff t-shirt. And today it is 74 degrees. I'm wearing a jacket and it's kind of cold out, but it's nice because we can actually finally go outside again. I hope it doesn't heat up too much. Living in Vegas is crazy because of how hot it gets. You just cannot go outside. So anyways, I just did some digging because I wanted to see what my average orders were on Postmates, because I haven't done it in a while. Before, I used to be able to just pull up Postmates and then check the bank or whatever it is, and it would show you how many orders you did and how much you've made. It doesn't do that anymore, so I actually had to go and dig through some 1099s, and then I saw how much I've made on Postmates for the last couple years. So I did it for 2 years, and I've done just over 2,000 deliveries, and I've been doing DoorDash for 1 year, and I've also done just over 2,000 deliveries. Ever since I started doing DoorDash though, I really pretty much stopped doing Postmates. So it's kind of like I did Postmates for 1 year in 2018 and then DoorDash for 1 year in 2019. And I still do it, but I mostly only do DoorDash now, just because I like pretty much everything, especially like the format of DoorDash, how they tell you how much you make and stuff. So I got some news. After about 2,000 orders and adding up my total income of about, I believe it was $12,800, my average order came out to 6.4. So $6.40 on Postmates. That's not bad. Although I must say, if I was doing it like newer and like more updated, I feel like Postmates might pay a little bit more. But I'm not sure. It might also pay a little bit less. So my average on Postmates with 2,000 deliveries is $6.40 per delivery. Now that's actually less money than I would even accept on an order for DoorDash. So here's the thing about DoorDash. My average for about 2,000 orders is 2,000, and I think it was like 2,100 or so. The average on DoorDash was 8.4. Or 8.6, sorry, 8.6, which doesn't surprise me, and for a few reasons. Because one, it's probably going to be higher than Postmates no matter what, because on DoorDash I don't accept anything that's less than $7, and I usually don't even really accept the $7 orders. I kind of just wait around. I decline so many orders, and I do a lot of like sitting around and just have the app logged in, and then when I do get a good order, I'll do it, but I'm not sitting here accepting like every single order. But it's also really not my main income. It's kind of a side income, so it might be different for every person. But I just thought it'd be a fun fact that DoorDash, I've been averaging about $2 more than I made on Postmates. And it could be because like I only accept higher orders on DoorDash, but it also could be because Postmates, you have no idea how much you're gonna get paid. You're just accepting something blindly and hoping that you get paid more, which obviously, if you're essentially gambling, you're probably gonna make less money than if you have a for sure like rate that you're gonna make. Anyway, so we're driving over to the mall. We're gonna do a couple of DoorDash orders, maybe just one, who knows, depends on how good it is today. So let's go park at the mall and then see what order we get. Oh my God, this Cane's line is so long. I'm about to do an order here though. So I accepted an order to Cane's. It's $8 for 3 miles. Gonna be a solid, quick, easy one. And I declined an order. I forget where it was from, but it was for, I think it was for $6 or $7. $6, I believe, but it was like 4 miles. So basically, I never accept anything unless it's like a $1 per mile. But if it's lower than $7, it has to be like double at least, like almost $2 at least. Otherwise, I just don't like to deal with anything less than $7. It's not really worth my time, and it's better to just wait around for bigger orders. If you haven't yet checked out offaxisacrobatics.com, it's my website. It's a footwear and apparel company, which just did some huge upgrades to the website last night. AKA, I sat around until like 2 in the morning and edited our website. Edited, such a funny word. So please go check it out if you guys haven't yet, and use my discount code OFFAXISTANNER. It'll give you 30% off. So we're gonna wait in this like really long line from Cane's, but the thing about Cane's is it goes so quick. Like, they only have a few items that they really need to make, so Cane's goes by really quick. Usually, as soon as you get to the window, their food's already right there ready for you. All right, let's see how long this takes. It's 12:18 right now, so let's see how long this takes to get to the end. All right, so while we were sitting here waiting for this order, or for Raising Cane's to get to the front, we just got an order for $4. It's probably the cheapest order I've ever accepted, but it's to L&L Barbecue, which is right there, and it literally is dropping off on the exact same street as the first order is. It's just barely before it, so it's literally exactly on the way, and by the time I finish this, I'm sure that order is probably going to be like done by at least a couple minutes or so. So that's the only reason I would accept an order for $4. But it is DoorDash on DoorDash. It's not like I'm mixing apps right now. I don't even have Postmates opened. I'm so annoyed with them lately because of how like they just don't tell you how much you're making. But I don't know. I actually made about $14 yesterday on a tip for Postmates, so it is kind of reassuring that people are at least tipping. But yeah, I don't know, I just like that guaranteed money because I'd rather know what I'm getting myself into. All right, guys, just got the order from L&L Barbecue. So I believe it was not very long, super quick. That's why I like to do Raising Cane's, because the line is super long, or even though the line's super long, it's super quick. Now we got both orders within a matter of 6 minutes. About to go drop them off. All right, just dropped off both of the orders. That was a total of about, I think, 20 minutes. We made 12 bucks so far. Probably gonna do another order because I've only been dashing for about 30 minutes or so, and see how much we can make. Right now it's doing pretty well. Just dropped off those 2 orders. Gonna drive back to the mall. I actually need to walk around the mall a little bit and buy some new girls clothes for the project that we're doing tonight for Off Axis. We're doing like a crazy photo shoot. All right, I got a question for all of my audience and everyone who's watching this video. Why do you guys do DoorDash and Postmates? If you are a delivery driver or something like that, why do you guys do it? What's the reason? My reason is because I absolutely have to have a job where I can make money whenever, and I need to be able to take off time at any random given moment. So that's why I do it, because of the freedom, and because I think you could still make pretty good money, especially if you actually try really hard. But why do you guys do it? Comment down below. Just did some shopping at the mall. Didn't find anything that I liked. Kind of walked around, went through the stores, got some inspiration from my own apparel line. But we just got another order, and it's to Raising Cane's. Surprise, surprise. So I'm not gonna walk you guys through that order again, because it's pretty much, it's 8 bucks and it's about 4 miles. So kind of same thing we already did. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you guys haven't, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Comment down below if you want any kind of tips, or if you have any suggestions on videos I should make in the future. Let me know down below. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.